Hello everyone! I got some positive feedback about our video how to make a stamp. Today we're going to make a facsimile. So everything's ready, we focus the laser and let's start the process. So let me tell you briefly what this is all about. So we use a regular rubber for engraving. It's called seal stamp rubber for engraving. Most you guys are using it, but for diode laser it also works pretty good. We will need glue. We'll need tooth brush. We'll need some ink, and that's pretty much it. So it'll take probably a few minutes to make facsimile ready. So what is important to know? It's important that you need this image inversed, so it means that where you have left you must have right, etc. So it's like mirror inverted. So that's very important. Also, once you make it, it's kind of easy. You can draw it in Photoshop, or you can actually make it on paper and just convert it and use in Lightburn. We use Lightburn software. The speed is 2000 millimeters per minute, and its maximum power 95%. Also, we'll need this piece for a stamp, so we'll glue the stamp using this, or we actually have some 3D printed piece that we'll glue like here, but I'll show you in details in a few moments. Yeah, it's not difficult. It makes some smoke. I would suggest you to use a film extractor, or do it outside, or maybe in your garage or workshop. It's not dangerous. Rubber does not is not dangerous smoke, but still not pleasant. Not like breathing roses. So also do not forget to wear goggles all the time you operate the laser. Let's see the progress. Oh no, you cannot see anything here in my goggles, so I can see that half is done. We use 10-watt Pro laser over here, and you see our laser box version 2, really advanced electronics, nothing similar you can find on the market. We have an MO2 PC board inside, very high frequency driver, so it allows you to change power very quickly. So let's see. It's almost done. And what I can see, it's actually done, so I can probably just stop the laser. So you see it. Yeah, okay, let me make it brighter. Okay, so you can see it now. That's why we need tooth brush. So we clean it up, and now we need to cut the rest part of it. Okay. Okay. So that is my facsimile. I'll sure that you can see it well. Now we need to add some glue and make sure that is all fine. Okay, we need a napkin. Okay, and I don't know, let's make these plastics glue. So we can glue it like this. Okay, and I have a hairdryer, so let's speed up the process. Anyway, since we do it for like test, let's add some ink inside here when we made a stamp. Okay, ensure that it's glued enough. Oh, somehow. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, we need. I can see it perfectly well. And let's try it out. Okay, where's okay, maybe I need to push it further. Okay, yeah, so yes, looks good. Yeah, brilliant. Yeah, now I can use these when I sign for some documents, especially in DHL when I send packages out, so I don't need to sign all the time. I can just stamp it with my personal facsimile. So yeah, that's good. Hope that you like this video. Please share it with your friends, and yeah, now you can do your own facsimile with Endurance Laser. If you have any questions, let me know at the email gf@endurancerobots.com or text me +7 916 225 4302. Talk to you guys.